Live life in sleek style, enchanting colours, and modern comfort at the London College Station to truly level up every moment of your uni experience. These charming 2 to 4 bedroom apartments feature a comfy bed, private patios, central AC, and in-unit laundry for breezy wash days. You'll also have your own room and bathroom, plus a shared kitchen to enjoy with roomies. Speedy Wi-Fi is included in your rent, so you're always connected. Start your day with a cardio session or strength training. Grab a caffeine boost from the coffee bar, then hustle at the on-site library with reliable Wi-Fi and free printing. When it's time to relax, challenge friends on the basketball court, or unwind with a game of sand volleyball. Roommate matching and a hassle-free resident liability program make life easier. And best of all, Texas A&M University is just a quick drive away, and buses from Luther and Park West to keep the city within easy reach. Go on, there's no reason to wait when the London College Station is all you need. Book now on amberstudent.com.